In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a checkout or cart option to a Canva website. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Website and select the Website option to start building a Canva website. Next, browse through the available website templates. Choose a template that fits an online store or product style layout. After selecting a template, start customizing the website pages with your product information, images, and descriptions. Click on any text or image section to edit the content and replace it with your own product details. Next, go to the Elements section on the left side and search for Shopping Cart. Choose a cart icon that fits your website style and drag it onto the page. Place it at the top corner of the website so visitors can easily see it. Now select the cart icon and click the link option in the top menu. Paste the link to your checkout page. This could be a payment page from PayPal, Stripe, Shopify, Gumroad, or another payment platform. Once the link is added, the cart icon will become clickable. Visitors can now click the cart icon on your Canva website and go directly to your checkout page to complete their purchase. Finally, preview your website and test the cart link to make sure it works correctly. When everything is ready, click Publish Website to make your Canva website live.